All right, guys, we got this COOFANDY swimsuit. In my opinion, let me angle this down just a little bit so you can get a better view. This is the perfect swimsuit. You got a little give here. So it does have a little bit of stretch. You got that nice little slit in the leg. I think it's the perfect length personally. This is about the length I like in shorts. I could wear these as shorts to the gym if I wanted to, which I like. No pockets in the back. Just a fear. It's a perfect swimsuit, dude. Unless you're looking for, if you're not looking for something super baggy, I think this is a very nice in the waist. I am 5'10", 175 pounds. This is a medium, typically what I wear, and it fits perfectly. And it doesn't dig into the waist at all. You also have a drawstring if you need to tie it, but great length, kind of like you got a little bit of gap between you and your knee, which if you're looking for this, dude, I mean, you could wear this as a swimsuit. You could also wear this as shorts. And in my opinion, these are an incredible value because of the fit. These fit super good. They have just the right amount of stretch. You could also wear them as shorts, go to the gym with them if you really wanted to, or maybe do a little bit of both. But they also have a really good style to them. They're very minimal, but they fit really well. Highly recommend.